What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Whale Pants vlog.
Hi! I just learned that I'm really quiet when we do vlogs, so I'm going to talk louder now. We wanted to show you guys kind of our collection of discs. Not everything. We're not going to go through everything here. I just pulled aside my... No, Eric. Would you like to see a 3-hour vlog? I pulled out my special ones out of my bag and out of my backups that I have in the closet. We don't really have like wall hangers because it doesn't go with our feng shui. But I do have some special near and dear to me that I've kept. So we're gonna walk through those. But yeah, we'll start with some new discs that we got in the mail yesterday from Dynamic.
Woo! New stuff.
Brand new stamps that we got in the mail. This is a new stamp my friend Steph made. We referenced it in the last video.
Rocket whale.
So yeah, we have a new rocket whale stamp. It's so cool and I just love it so much. Here's a couple discs. Oh, here's a cool Justice. That's a Raider.
Vandal, Raider, Justice. We have a couple other molds. We got some harps, some putters.
By the time you see this, you should be able to check whalesacks.com.
Here?
For right here.
Is it right here?
I don't know where it is.
Where is it?
I have no idea.
Okay, but what about right here?
Let's see if we can make it work for him. Whalesacks.com. We should be putting these on our website as well as Eric's new stamp.
So this one you guys can't have. This is one I had to put in there because this is like my new fave. Peachy. It's got orange bottom. Unbelievable. It actually even has sparkles in the rim. Yeah, you can't have that. This is my favorite actually like look on a disc.
Black on white.
Black on white. Yeah. This is an Opto Explorer, milky white, super sweet. I have chameleon. No, these are glimmer. Just normal glimmer lucid felons, super cool. This one, I don't know, I love it because it like where the burst of the glimmer goes, like it makes the rim a different color in a couple spots, which is so dope.
Eric, what would you describe this one as?
So dope.
No, the stamp.
Silver, EO, Stowe.
It's silver on blue?
Silver on...
Or is it blue on silver?
Blue on silver. Stop setting me up!
Eric can't figure out which is which, so he would usually say blue
on white.
Instead of white on blue.
White on blue.
He can't figure it out, it's really funny.
You know what I mean. Okay. Fusion, Burst, Raiders. These actually feel really good. They remind me of the, in feel of the Domi, Burst, Gold Line Ballista Pros that everybody was loving because you got that.
I think they get it.
Do they?
I get it.
So these are sweet. Haven't thrown them. They feel really good. Stiff plastic. Awesome. More Lucid X Felons. They just look so clean. Some of them even have some glittery sparkleness in the plastic, which is so cool. God, I love felons. And...
Really?
Yeah, shocker. Chameleon Emax. These are unbelievable. We have blue and this purple. This one is super smoky, super swirly. Silver on chameleon.
Beautiful.
Unreal.
That was really cool.
So, make sure you guys check out whalesacks.com, which is... Who gave you that?
It's a stag. I got it from Tyler Searle. He's my homie. And it's cool. This is my friend Erica. It's a Deaf Booty. And that's her stamp from last year, her fundraiser stamp. And she's one of my favorite people, other than Eric.
Oh, I got it on the list? Yeah!
I got married to you. This is a Justice that I've had forever. It was, I think, maybe my first ever team stamp disc. It's got this cool die on it. I'm
Sweet.
sorry, I can't remember who I got it from. It was like literally right when I got them.
Again,
Team Dynamic 4 years ago.
if you know who
you are,
comment below, and if you don't know, you should still just comment below.
Okay. So this one's really cool. It's got a cool team stamp on it, so I'll have that forever. Actually, I grabbed a couple of these because my homie Tim Perkins has done a handful of disc dies for me. This is a Fury that I use all the time with a really cool die on it. This is a Raider, which I honestly haven't thrown because I kind of got away from Raiders for a little while. But it's so pretty. I might just have to keep it because it's beautiful.
I'm using it as like just an overstable slot.
So he does such a good job. If you're looking for some sweet dies, he's legit.
Yeah.
This is from my friend Danny Lundahl.
Oh, Danny Big Flicks.
I just wanted to show you.
Everybody calls him that.
I like Danny a lot. Yeah, Danny Big Flicks. Make sure that's what you call him.
Tina's biggest fan?
He's my biggest fan. I'm also one of his biggest fans. So it works out real well. This
Aww.
one has Eric and me on it.
And that was when we were with my family in Utah.
2 years ago.
Yeah, we took nice photos.
This has our cat on it.
What is that?
This is the Justice.
Just off?
And actually, this is the Justice out of my bag. You can tell it's very well used. This is the most reliable disc
Ever.
I love this thing. And then it's always sitting right next to the basket, and I'll just say, "Oh, Spooty Booty." Or if she messes up, I'm like, "Come on, do your job, Spout. What do you think you're doing?" Yeah. That's my friend Zach. This is a Verdict, and I just like this disc. This is a Warden, and I actually don't usually throw classic. I usually throw a classic blend, but this one's classic. I couldn't not use it for myself. It is the most pretty I love the stamp, and the burst is insane. So this is one out of my bag.
Yeah, it's very patriotic.
It is. And this was a birthday present from Tomas in Europe. We went last year in 2019.
Just left yet to the Latitude 64
We were
factory.
at the Latitude 64 factory. My birthday was the next day. They weren't selling these yet. They were just testers. And somehow I mentioned that I liked them, and somehow it came up that my birthday was the next day, and Tomas said, just take them. So I have 2 of these, and they're really special. These were a Christmas present from Eric, right after our wedding the same year, 2018. So these are photos from Nantucket, with me and my dad. I love my dad. I know. Look how happy I am. But he was stepping on my dress, that's why I'm laughing so much. It was super windy. Actually, this is also Sweden related. This is a hatchet, and handpicked from the Latitude factory. And I don't know if we're supposed to tell anybody this, but we were able to just take these home because we put in like 2 or 3 hours helping them package orders and stuff.
It was the last day before their so like in Sweden they do this like summer break thing where they take everybody has like 2 weeks off, or is it more than that?
There's a name for it too. They get 3 weeks, I think.
Yeah, it's really cool, but everybody kind of just doesn't work for 3 weeks in the summer.
Yeah, it's awesome. This is special to me. Good memories.
What a champion.
These
Marshall.
are also from our wedding. These are special because Paige and I were both throwing these discs. This was mine. No, this was mine. This was hers. And we were playing the Nantucket course.
This was Paige's.
Eventually. So she threw this one. This was hers. She threw this one. And it was close. And then she goes, can I borrow yours? Because she knew I had a matching one. So she threw this one and threw it in the basket from like 150 feet away.
Did she?
So I ended up just giving this to her.
That's so sweet. I didn't know that story.
Yeah, because we have the same one. This one's way more beat in.
Yeah.
And then we actually got to use this together when we played doubles together at Whistler's Dubs.
Nice.
Yeah, so
cool.
It's kind of cool. This is just one of my favorite stamps. This is another one of my favorite stamps.
Yeah, shout out to our graphics guys at Dynamic Discs for helping us out with coming up with some of these stamps. I mean, every single one has incorporated Spout with us looking funny, but definitely adds some really cool vibes. Who's that dumb guy?
My favorite dumb guy.
What?
You.
I better be your favorite dumb guy.
He's a little smarter. And there's another one to Spout. I do actually throw this one. So a lot of these I do keep just because I'm kind of collecting the stamps and I just love the stamps. I have hopefully have more than what I have here because I can think of a few that I like a lot. And then these actually came straight out of my bag. Most of you know I'm obsessed with the Fury. So these were actually the first Furies I ever owned. They're purple because Denise Cameron gave them to me right when I got on the team. I still bag them both. I love them both. This one is the flippiest thing you've ever thrown. This one's actually pretty flippy now too, but I love the Fury, and these two discs are the reason I fell in love with the Fury. And frankly, like the reason I'm good in the woods is this disc right here.
The other cool part is that like she was able to throw these and then get an Opto X Fury that was like
a little more
flippy, straight to understable. One beat up Opto X that was dead straight. One that was a little bit more stable. So she was able to go 3 to 4 Furies deep and
they're so good.
Be super set. It was so
underrated.
cool.
If you haven't tried it, please do. And then this one, the reason I'm showing you this, we call this Old Brown.
Jupiter.
It's actually Jupiter, but I call it Old Brown. The fact that I still have this after 3+ years and haven't lost it.
Is insane.
I've tried to lose it.
In the middle of fairways.
Yeah, I mean it's brown, like the dumbest color I could ever choose. It used to have a team stamp, but you can tell how much I've used it. My name's barely on it still.
Yeah.
Your
old name.
I should probably add that. Yeah, the team stamp back in the day. So anyways, this is one of my favorite discs. It's a trespass. I just throw the crap out of it.
It's got the big red spot.
I've had it forever.
It
Yeah.
looks like Jupiter.
It does look like Jupiter. Okay, that was a lot of talking. I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoyed my little
Teams collection.
This is all mostly sentimental, but also some stuff I've just had for a really long time.
What if all of my discs are sentimental?
Cool, so that is what is in my collection. It's obviously not everything that's in my disc golf bag. I've got maybe 2 bags in the RV that have my normal throwers. This is more like my special collecty stuff. As you saw, Eric has a million Frisbees, so he will have his own collection video all to himself.
Yes.
Because he's a special boy and he doesn't
Special
know how
boy.
to minimize his collection. So
Yeah. And I want to tell you guys about all of them.
I believe
Because they're amazing. And I love every single one. I love
So thanks for tuning in and stay tuned to our channel. Subscribe.
you. Make sure you go to
Eric wants you to comment.
go to whalesex.com and to check out the EO discs, the Rocket Whale discs, whale sex in general. Great place to support not only us, but even some of the players on the whale sex team. Pretty cool. Yeah, like, subscribe, share this video, and let us know in the comments if you guys want us to do anything else. Let's give us ideas. We'd love to give you guys what you want.
We're doing lots more videos nowadays, so more ideas is better.
Sweet.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Be a really cool thing if you like told us who gave us these discs, but also just commenting in general. It'd be so sweet.
Okay.
It'd be awesome actually if you guys did that. And then like shared the video. I'd be so excited if you did that.
What happened
Like we'd
to you?
be really good. I had some Birdie
Are
Fuel
you
coffee.
pregnant?
I have 2 sips of Birdie Fuel coffee and I got hyped.
We got s'mores in the
Woo!